Good day, dear learners. Welcome to another episode of Learn Math with Doc Gilma. Are you ready, class, for the next lesson? So if you're ready, just sit back, relax, and listen carefully to the topic to be discussed for today. Alright, class, let's begin. The topic I will be discussing for today's lesson is all about solving geometric problems. How do we solve word problems? Number one, we must understand the given problem. Number two, write the equation or inequality. Number three, solve the equation or inequality and state the answer. Number four, check. Consider illustrative example number 1. The perimeter of a rectangle is 100 cm. The length of the rectangle is 10 cm less than 3 times its width. Find the dimensions of the rectangle. The first thing we have to do here is to represent the unknown quantity. So we let x be equal to the width of the rectangle. And 3x minus 10 is equal to the length of the rectangle. Since it is given the length of the rectangle is 10 cm less than 3 times its width. Take note, class. The formula in finding the perimeter of the rectangle is simply 2w plus 2l. Let's consider the formula for the perimeter, which is 2w plus 2l. From here, we're going to substitute x for the width and 3x minus 10 for the length. So we have 2x plus 2 times the quantity, 3x minus 10 is equal to 100. Applying distributive property, we have 2x plus 2 times 3x is 6x minus 2 times 10 is 20, which is equal to 100. Simplifying further, applying addition property of equality, we have 2x plus 6x minus 20 plus 20 is equal to 100 plus 20. From here, we can just cancel out negative 20 and positive 20 since they are additive inverse. Cancel out negative 20 and 20. Combining similar terms, we have 2x plus 6x is just equal to 8x. And 100 plus 20 is just equal to 120. So we have 8x is equal to 120. Applying division property of equality, we can simply divide both sides by 8. Cancel out 8 and 1 over 8 since they are multiplicative inverse. So we have 8 over 8 is simply equal to 1. So from here, x is just equal to 15. This is simply the measure of the width. Substituting the value for x equals 15 in 3x minus 10 for the measure of the length, we have 3 times 15 minus 10 is just equal to 45 minus 10. width and whose perimeter is 3 centimeter less than 7 times its width. Again, we're going to represent the unknown quantity. So we let x be equal to the width of the rectangle. X minus 8. We can just cancel 8 and negative 8 since they are additive inverse. Also, we can cancel negative 7x Q plus 2L is equal to P. From here, we have 2x plus 2 times 2x plus 4 is equal to 7x minus 3. This is simply the equation that we set up a while back. Let's substitute the given values for the width and the length. So we have 2 times 11 plus 2 times the quantity 2 times 11 plus 4 is equal to 7 times 11 minus 3. From here, 74 is just equal to 74. As you can see, the left side of the equation is equal to the right side of the equation. So we are 100% sure that our answer is correct. Before we end our discussion, let me first share to you a passage from the Bible. Coming from the book of Matthew chapter 6 verse 34. Therefore, do not worry about tomorrow, for tomorrow will worry about itself. Each day has enough trouble of its own. Take note, class. skills are developed through constant correct practice, and there will always be a room for improvement. That's all for today. Stand by for my next lesson. Stay safe, everyone, and may God bless us all.